In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the effect Multicolor Replacer that allows you to change every color of your animation without having to color every image manually. We have here an animation of Lily, an animated character, which is about 17 images. We will change the colors of the character into other colors. Here we have another project with a model sheet of Lily. This is the character and its different colors. Every square is linked to one color to be better organized. And then we have another version of Lily with other colors that we can compare. If I click on the eye and choose Display Current, I can see that there are only the color squares in my layer. It is very important that your colors are without anti-aliasing and at the same location, otherwise it can cause problems with the color detection. So on my current layer I have only the colors I need, which I will save by clicking on the library, right-click, Add Current Layer Image, which will add only the image on the layer. You can right-click to rename the image. I rename it in Colors 1. And repeat exactly the same operation with the second image, Colors 2. I close the library and open the FX stack. I can add the effect by clicking on Add FX, Color, Multicolor Replacer. At that moment, I have different parameters. Click on Wizard. The wizard principle is that we will define a source image and a destination image, and TVPaint will compare those two images, pixel by pixel, in order to determine which color will be changed into which other color. So I click on Set Source Image and I choose Colors 1, then I click on Set Destination Image and I choose Colors 2. It is very important that the two images have the same definition, so it is better to make them in the same project and export our images that way, so there will be no definition problem. Once it is done, I click on OK, and I see that there are two columns with my original colors and the corresponding colors. You can also change the name of every color in order to make them correspond to what's on the image. And then what I will do is save those parameters to use them in another project. By clicking on Preset, Add, and I type the name I want to give my preset. You can see that it is now present in the preset menu. If I go in my other project with the running character Lily, and I go in Preset, I can also find it here. All my parameters are imported here. If I click on Preview, I can see that all the colors in my animation have been changed to the colors I chose. I can still change the source and destination colors and replace them by others by clicking on them, and it will be changed for all the instances in my animation. If I put my cursor on one of my colors, I see the source and destination color in red, green and blue values. I can see that on the book there's only one color because I simply didn't change that color. So I click on Add New Line and on my source color, and then on the book color, which is changed in pink because that's the color here. Let's change it into orange. The colors have now been replaced for all the instances. But it's just a preview, the effect is not yet applied. I will choose to apply it on my current layer, all instances, and on the heads of the instances. In other words, the effect will be applied on the heads of the instances and not on every image that composes an instance. That way it is better if you want to keep the timing of your animation. By applying the effect, you override the images.